Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another interesting video. In this video I'm going to discuss question number 4 of exercise 2.5. Use the synthetic division to find the values of p and q if x plus 1 and x minus 2 are the vectors of x cube plus px square plus qx plus 6. So here we have to use the synthetic division to find out the values of p and q. So let p of x, let the polynomial which is x cube plus px square plus qx plus 6, and we can write x minus a is equal to x plus 1. We can write x plus 1 is equal to x minus into minus 1, because if we multiply minus with minus 1, so we get x plus 1. So here we have the values of a is minus 1 and another one is x minus 2. So we can write x minus into plus 2. So here we have the values of a is 2. Now we can use synthetic division. To find the values of p and q. Now we use synthetic division to divide p of x by x plus 1. P of x is a polynomial and q of x, which is a quotient, by x minus 2. So here we can write, first we will write the coefficient of a polynomial, which is 1, phi, q, and 6. 6 is a constant, so here we write a, which is minus 1. So using synthetic division, we will write 1 as it is. So 1 into 1 is minus 1. Now if we add p minus 1, so we get p minus 1. Now if we multiply minus 1 into p minus 1, so we get 1 minus p. So adding q, 1 minus p, so we get q plus 1 minus p. Now subtracting 1 with these, so we get p minus q minus 1. So if we add 6 plus p minus q minus 1, so we get p minus q plus 5 because minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 5, so it's the remainder. And now we have to divide the quotient here we have by 2. So if we divide the quotient by 2, we put 1 as it is. Now 1 into 2 is 2, so p minus 1 plus 2 is p plus 1. Now if we multiply 2 with p plus 1, so we get 2p plus 2. Now if we add q plus 1 minus p plus 2p plus 2, we get q minus p plus 2p is p, and plus 1 plus 2 is 3, so it's the another remainder here we have. So we have two remainder. Now since x plus 1 and x minus 2 are the vectors of p of x, are the vector of polynomial, therefore the remainder is equal to 0. So we will write the remainder p minus q plus 5 is equal to 0. Here we have 1, and the another one is p plus q plus 3 is equal to 0. It's the second one. So now to find out the values of P and Q, we have to add. So to find out the values of P and Q, so we can add 1 and 2. So adding 1 and 2, question 1 is P minus Q plus 5 is equal to 0, and second one is P plus Q plus 3 is equal to 0. So if we add both, so minus Q plus Q cancel, so here we get 2P plus 8 is equal to 0. Now if we subtract 8 both sides, subtracting 8 both sides, we get 2P is equal to minus P. Now divide both sides by 2, so 2 into 2 cancel, we get P is equal to minus 4. 2 cancel with 2, so we get the values of P, which is minus 4. Now put the values of P in equation 1 and 1. So if we put the values of P, which is minus 4 and 1, so P minus Q plus 5 is equal to 0. Now replace P by minus 4. So minus 4 minus Q plus 5 is equal to 0. Now minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1. So minus Q plus 1 is equal to 0. Now adding Q on both sides, or if we shift Q into the right side, so we get the values of Q. If we add or shift the Q, so we get the values of Q is equal to 1. Hence we can write if P is equal to minus 4 and Q is equal to 1. So this is the required answer solutions of a given question, because in this question we have to find out the values of P and Q.